complete SEO courses. So that one's is realistic. So Google Ads, I don't know like what is covered in that the reading material that you guys are gonna read about. But myself, I've learned it from the professionals, so I did not go through any reading material or anything as such. So I've just learned it from people. So I know like all the steps in and out of Google Ads. So I'll just tell you guys what Google Ads is. So why do we have cover the Google Ads after SEO is because you guys know that Google Ads is mainly used to increase the traffic to your website, also make your page appear on the top of the search list as a paid search one. So I think we covered this last week also. Let me put this thing. So if I say corporate gifting channel, so you guys can see this here, right? Ad, this ad, this is all these are ads only. Okay. So, but the ones that below you see, these are organic results, based on the search keywords that they are putting. So based on that, these results show up. These ones are. But the top 4, 5 that we saw, these are all ads like these are promoted through Google Ads. So that's what. So this is search ads. Okay, what other ads are there? If I have to say, you'll be, of course, you guys will be reading about so many ads in Google Ads, like display ads, search ads, YouTube ads. Anyways, once we get into that, I'll also show you guys, what type of ads are available. So display ads is something that, when you search for something, for example, now that I search for this corporate gifting channel, and when I go to some other website, you guys can see that, some of the ads showing up in any other website that you guys go into. Those ads will be showing up. So the moment you search for it and then go to another website, the same results that what you search for will be showing it in the, other websites as well. Like a different, or like as a display ad, on the right hand side. So to specifically show display ads. So like this. So you guys will be getting, message, like this. So yeah, this is basically what you search for in some other website. Sometimes, you guys go to search, something in Amazon, search for some product. And in just matter of, few minutes, when you go to some other website, this thing, what you search for will be showing results of the same, in some other website. Actually, that's also called, big data. So you guys will not be covering in this thing. So it is also one of the marketing factors. So only professionals know about it. So big data we call it. Okay. So this anyways, so this is one way of retargeting. So that also happens to Google Ads only. Okay. So this is the dashboard that that we have for QA Include. So QA Includes, I have been running campaigns for the last 4-5 months. And every week I run a campaign, and then we get the results. We run so many different type of campaigns. So I'll just show you guys just quickly this thing. Maybe from here I'll start. So this is the notification part, where you will get all the notifications regarding your campaigns or anything bid, like ad groups, everything you will get here. Help. So here if you need any help with the with the ads here, like anyway, if you're stuck or something, you can go here, you can type this get help. So if you type this thing, so here you will get it. So here you can schedule a call with the actual person. The person will call you at the time, or you can do online chat thing, or you can reach out to the community. So through them you can get the assistance, and you can do that. And tools and settings. So this is building part. So all the summary transactions that you can see here. So setup, account setup, this will be covered, when you do it, for the first time when you create a Google Ads account. That time, you will have to take care of all these things. So this is Google Merchant Center. So this one is mainly for the okay. This one is it's not showing us because it's not for us, but this is mainly for the e-commerce websites. Those who have the e-commerce websites, they will be using this thing. Measurement. So you can link your Google Analytics to it and all, find out how many how much traffic that you got through your ads alone. like paid ads. Like you can definitely differentiate between the organic and then the paid campaigns easily. Conversions, what all we got, and the bulk actions, rules, scripts, all these things. So audience manager, so we can, so audience managing something. So you can actually create an audience segment here before you get into your ads actually. So this can be selected when you actually create it, when you start a Google Ads thing, when you're setting up the Google Ads for you this thing. So at the time you can select it. So here itself you can select it. So here if I go here, I say like so either I want to go with the website visitors, people who visited my this thing. Yes, that I can do. So I can say like how many months, like say 180 days. So visitors of web pages, yes. Visitors of the particular page, we can say. So let's say I'm creating this sequence. So I'll say website. See, one more is created now. So it is getting populated now, but it will usually take some time. Here, custom segments. Customer segment also can create. Customer segment is basically on your purchase intentions that people will have, right? So based on that you can see. So here, if I type technology, so yeah. So for this word, if I'm going to be targeting, in this segment for this word, you can see the projections here. Weekly impressions, 5 billion to 10 billion, impressions is what, that we can get. Gender wise, male wise, branded sectors, all these things that you can see. This is for United States. If you want to check it for some other country, so that you can do it, or all countries that you can do it. I say India. So for India, we are talking about 1 billion to 5 billion, and male is 70 to 42%. So like this. So you can do that. You can do combined segment also that you can create. And then bid strategies. You can also set your bid strategy. Maximize clicks. So you can go with successful clicks. So yeah, so here we can see this as an fixed one. Wanted to include what is a amount that we want to fix for which campaign that we want to set. What is the maximum amount that we are willing to pay? So we can set all that. We can set while we are setting up the campaign as well, or we, if you want, we can set it from here also. So we can do it either ways. So negative keywords list is you give certain list of keywords even by mistake also, like while creating the campaign you add this thing. If you add these keywords, negative keywords list here, it will automatically be removed from there. So you're making sure that you not even by mistake also those keywords are not involved, you added in your campaign. Shared budget, location groups, all these things you guys will also be doing while creating the campaign as well. So planning, performance planner, keyword planner. So once you have created the ad, you can see here. So ad preview and diagnosis. So you can see here. So because see, I'm talking about shoes. Yeah, frankly, none of my ad is running, so it won't show anything. But you can see that this is how it will show. This is how it will show results. If I'm going further, okay. Now it is not showing because we are not running any campaigns now. So that is why it not showing. Keyword plan. Either we can go with this or like we can just go with this. Get search volume and focus. So for this, let us say I'm saying software test. For the software testing, on average, like 49,000 people search for it. Almost 50K people search for this keyword. And 3-month changes minus 18%, and they had impressions, all these things you can say. And the highest amount which was bid for this keyword was like 22 rupees. So this is the thing. And keyword ideas, if you have to go here, you can just type what keyword that you want to this thing with, if you feel that you can just start with the website, so you can just copy paste the website. So let's say we have a DC website, so I know that, so let's go with the DC. That would be you can go with this, get results. So I'll get a keyword list of the intent. Oh my god, why is it not showing anything? They don't have any keywords or what? Yeah. Okay. Oh, that's too bad. Basic Root does not have any keywords on it. Oh god, that's too bad. So, as soon as I typed cleancloud.com, so I can see that, I'm getting, 503 keyword ideas that I'm getting, these much ideas. But when I put basic tool, we did not get anything on it. So, which is bad because I think that website has already used any keywords in the content. So, yeah. Anyways, it's okay. So that's it. And this is finally, this thing is app advertising, hub. So this thing will be used, when you want to promote a particular app actually. So if I say any app that you guys can think of, so I used to promote one app in my previous company, the app name called Tada to yeah, this is the one, Tada type. So I used to promote this land app, and then create a validated deep link also, that I used to give deep links and everything. So I used to do that. So, we can also promote an app. So if you want to promote an app particularly, so you just need to come here. So you just need to take care of that. So that's all about tools and settings. If I go to the reports, so you can, click here. So you can search, take it from here. You can go to the dashboards. Let's go. Okay, some issue with it. I don't know why it is loading like that. So yeah. So if you want to download a report and after you're done the campaign, so you are the one place that you have to go is you can go here. So this will help you, in give you in the format that you want. So but I'm not sure why it is going like that. Let me just reload it. Get back a little bit. Some issue. Take that. So now let's talk about creating a new campaign. So here, so the first step it is asking me to do is choose your objective. So what is it you want to do? Drive sales, online. You want to get leads. You want to get website traffic. You want to get product and brand consideration, local visit stores and promotions, app promotion, brand awareness page. What is it? So did you want to do? So let's say like hey, I don't wanna. I'm a little bit confused at this point, so I don't wanna do anything. I'll just without any objective, I'll just create it. So I click here. Then it gives you this campaign types. What kind of ads that you want to do? Search ads, performance ads. It's a mix of everything. So if I go here, so it will show ad of everything like YouTube ad, search ad, display ad. So all these ads will be shown. So this is display ad. So this is shopping thing. Shopping thing is when you search for something and you see a product and all. So let me show you guys some example. Let us say I'm talking about perfume. See the ones that you see here. So these are shopping ads with the rate in it. See, so these are all the shopping ads. Yes, so I got this. So yeah, so these are the shopping ads. So when you search for this thing, you guys will see. And this is video ads, particularly for the video ads. When you want to promote your YouTube video, so at that time you can use this thing. And for the app, and again the same option is coming up. Smart thing. So smart thing is it will automatically change your ads actually. So you give an option, you give a complete control to the Google to optimize it and choose the type of ad. So now you're seeing like 6-7 type of ads, 8 apps types. So if you go for this thing, it itself will choose what type of ad is good for your company, for your target objective, and it will just run the campaign for you. So discovery ads and ads on YouTube, Gmail also you can do that, discover and this thing, so you can do that. So yeah, let's say we want to go with performance max. So you have to give your contacts, engagement, page views, these are the conditions that we set. Okay. I say campaign name is performance max 3. The first step it is asking me is asking me to set the minimum budget per day. I'll say 1,000 rupees. So let's say instead of conversions, I'm saying okay, conversions. Let me say it is saying this thing, but I'm just giving this thing. So out of 1,000, how much that I wanna set per click and all. So or per convention. So I'd say 20 rupees. Okay, 20 rupees is very less. So let's put 50. So yeah, so in the out of 50, our projection is saying you will get only one convention. So let's say a monthly, daily budget to increase it to 10,000. Then let's find it. It is still showing the same thing. Yeah, so the when increase the day by everyday spend, at the time you also need to increase the CPS. So that you have to do. Next step. So whether we want to target all the countries in the world or particular countries in the world. Let's say we are targeting only India. In India, like which are the languages that you want to target? So apart from, do you also want to target in Hindi? Okay, we can do that. So this part is done. So this is done. Location's done, and we are done with the languages. Schedule. Do we want to add to when all day or like the particular timing? So that we can set here. Start and end date. When should the campaign should start and when should it end? For 1 week, 1 month, you can say that. Send traffic to the most relevant URLs on your website. Yes. Send traffic to provided URLs one day. Automatically should we do it, or should I give particular link? So we are saying URL expansions. We are saying look, I will give you a particular link. So for that alone, you send the traffic. More settings. We are paying this thing. Campaign URL options. You can ignore this thing. So this thing is this is the tracking template, and it is a bit more complicated on that. So I'm just ignoring this one. Start and end it, everything is done. So I'm giving next. Asset group, yes, one. Okay. So now if I just say like DC2 reset. So let's go again back to DC2. Typing the URL here. So your ad will be shown in all these platforms: YouTube, Gmail, Google Search, Display, Discover, all these places it will be shown. Okay, so now you can see that add some. We need to add some images. Ad strength is incomplete now. Images, videos, everything it is shown. So I say like I want to add image. So I'm just adding these images just for sample. I'm just adding this, this, this. So yeah, so we've added all these images here. So this is how it will show. So I'm sure these kind of ads that you guys have seen all the time. So description, view, suggestions, and this you can type it actually. You don't have to follow any of these things, so you can actually type it on your own. So I've selected these descriptions because I'm just showing it to you, simply showing it to you. So I've selected this long headline. So you can just see the suggestions here. Again, it just shows DC2. That's it. PPO. And just for example, I'm just putting these things here. So from here, let's just copy paste some line from them. So they are saying like, okay, so we drive this thing. So long headline. So I'll just put it here. We just randomly put it here. So descriptions we are done. Okay, descriptions we're not done. Is it? Is it done? That's it. Add the business name. DC. You can add the site link. Like this. We have to create it and we have to add it. For now, I'll just add like this. Call to action, we can say sign up, contact us, whatever that we want. Let's say contact us. That's it. So this option is not needed. So now you can see it's for basic group. This is the ad that it will be showing. It will be showing like this. See? For YouTube, if I say YouTube to show, we need to add a video there. Let's add some videos here. I added this video here. It is showing BPO, listing, contact us. See, the video is also shown with the video. So if I go to search, it will show like this. If I go to Gmail, it will show like this. Display, like this. Discover, like this. So you guys have seen everything. So now I'm just saying next. Okay, fine. So I'm sure that you guys have learned the steps. So if I just give, there'll be a step to submit. If I give that step means, that's it. This thing is, entire thing is done and it will be started. Discard. So we have discarded that. We did not create that campaign. Okay. So you guys have learned, how to create the campaign. Now, this is your, home page. You can say this is my home page like that. Like, how in Google Analytics, we have a overview page, right? So here you can see that, for 63 clicks, this much amount that we spend. This is our CPC. This is the cost. And you can see all these things here, demographics here, what type of display ads that we ran. And for the display ads that I ran, so I got like around 213,000, impressions. So that's this thing that we got. And the search ads, all these things that you can see, and performance across devices, everything that you can see in the overview. In this place itself, you can see everything. And recommendations. Google recommends, few, improvements for your campaigns. It does that. So it's up to you. If you want to take, Google's advice and, do that, you can do that. Otherwise, you don't have to do it. It's all up to you. The person who's running the campaign should know that, whether it is needed or not. Google, most of the time, it does good things, but at the same time, when it does, like, when you accept recommendations like this, your costs go very high, actually. It gets spent, very faster. So it's up to the person who's running the ads, to decide whether to accept this or not. So insights, it's same as that. And campaigns, here you see, it will show you all the campaigns. So these are the campaigns that, that I've ran, for the last 4-5 months. We can see removed, pass, this thing, search, performance max, display, everything you can see here. So different type of campaigns that I do. So you come to the ad groups. Here also you can see what are all the ad group that we created. This will be done before you start the campaign. Ads and assets, what type of ads that that we have created for the last ad that which I created. So these are the ads that that I've included. So you can see here the headlines, long headlines, the description, the link, everything. You guys can see it. Yeah. Assets, what type of assets and all that we want to add it. But for these things, what assets that we have added, so you can see all cycling, call out, landing pages. If you have anything, you have to link the landing pages and you can do it for that. So settings. So here, you can just go, do everything. Like, you can pass the campaign, you can delete the campaign, you can do everything here. So if the campaign is active, then you can, do the changes of once the campaign is active. This is why you need to come to change the bid strategy, changing, adding the countries, adding, increasing the amount, adding more keywords. So all these things, you guys will be doing it here. So these are account settings that on what mean that we have an account and everything, whether it is active or not, even more than you can see here. So locations also, like of the campaigns that we have targeted. So which are the locations that that we have targeted so far? United States, India, like all these things. Ad schedule, you can also schedule your ads. So like I said, these things also, like you guys have already seen it. Like I said, when we are creating the campaign itself, that time itself, you guys have seen all these options, these locations and everything. But again, you have these options as a separate thing as well. So you can make this as a default thing. So even by mistake, if you don't do something also, these things help you, restrict your campaigns to only to that extent. So I think I'll stop for now. I think I kept just going on it. So what we can do is we can have the next session only after you guys complete the Google Ads. So whether if you guys complete it before next week, so we can do it. Otherwise after that we can do it. So mostly I would recommend that everyone complete the Google Ads as well by next week. So because that's the end of it. That's the end of our course. So just finish that. So then maybe you guys will have a better idea of these things, because now I just kept going in and I'm not sure how much that you understood. So if you guys go through the material and all, you guys will get some better idea. So that's it. So yeah, any questions in you?
No, sir.
Okay, okay guys, thank you so much. Okay, bye. Take care.